guys, how are you doing? Today let's talk about how to get a job in Japan. Yes, there are many IT companies in Japan which gives you the opportunity to work here. Do you know require the JLPT? Of course, yes. Also no, because there are two type of companies. In some companies in Japan, they are required to have the JLPT up to N2 proficiency. Other than that, in other companies they are not required, but nice to have that JLPT proficiency as well. But when you're talking about the jobs in IT industry, mainly based on Tokyo, let's talk how you obtain the a job offer from a Japanese company. There are a couple of websites you can refer: Daijaku Jobs, Rakuten Jobs, and there are many more. I'll post that in the video description. You may go to those links and refer this stuff. So before going ahead, beforehand, as a foreigner, how are you going to obtain a job in Japan? Let's tackle how you do that, how you apply to a job vacancy. So as you referred in the below description, so you can get more websites which offer the opportunity to apply for a job. So in there, so the process is like this: you have around 3 to 4 interviews in order to get on board with a Japanese company. So first one is, yeah, once you have applied to that vacancy, you will get a online survey, or most of the time it will be a online test with regards to technical, maybe C#, JavaScript, Java, or any language you applied for. You will get a test. So first thing is to complete that test. Most of the job vacancies you will get around 2 to 3 days, but sometimes you will get up to 1 week. Within that time period, you have to complete that technical test. Let's see how you go through with the technical test. Mainly they are checking your ability to perform the job role. Sometimes they are asked to implement some websites, some small systems with algorithm or any kind of requirement. So they give the requirement and they ask to implement what are the features. So you should be able to implement according to that. That's it. And after that, you have to obtain that specific skill set, and they are evaluating you. And then after that, after evaluation, they will contact you for a technical interview, face-to-face technical interview. In that case, you need to be prepared with regards to the job description as well as the requirement with regards to that company, whether it's a back-end position, front-end position, or whatever the UX UI related. The second interview is mainly based on the face-to-face interview, which is having kind of 2 to 3 technical person from the other side. In that interview, you will mostly get some brief introduction to yourself as well as some information with your career. So they need to have some kind of a background of yourself. After that, they will go for the technical questions. Mainly, if you're a front-end guy, they will give a scenario, and as well as they will go some live coding as well. In backend, same course as well. When it comes to database, they are checking the experience of the database level, and as well as they are giving some queries to track, and they will ask you to go ahead and fix those issues if those queries have. Let's say you have passed that exam as well. So what's going to next? In the next step, they will put an HRO management level interview. Sometimes it will be another technical interview with top of the technical head or under the chief technical officer. In that case, you should be able to give more technical stuff with him or move with the next interview. Let's say you completed that as well. So what's next? So that will be the HR interview. So in that case, if you are a foreigner, you may be applying from outside of Japan or inside of Japan, maybe with a different visa. category. In that case, the company asks you to provide some information with your visa category as well as the passport details with SIL card as well. In that case, they will check your details and send you the required document to submit to the immigration. So you only need to submit those documents to the immigration and the process goes on. Finally, after 1 to 2 months after processing your visa related to the work visa type, you will get the visa and it's time to work. Thanks for watching. Let's meet up with another topic. Bye bye.